Explore endless possibilities. Level up with the features you need to kickstart a healthy lifestyle on your wrist with a simple touch. Monitor your SpO2. Keep a watch on your blood oxygen levels with integrated pulse oximeter. Stay ahead by intelligently monitoring your SpO2, blood oxygen, and be aware of changes to your body. Low blood oxygen is an indicator of COVID-19, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and other lung infections as well. This device can help you gauge that. Measure body temperature. Keep a watch on your body temperature. With sensors to detect body temperature, stay aware and avoid any risks to your health. High body temperature is also a symptom of COVID-19, and detecting it early can help you take required action. Real-time heart rate monitoring. Keep a watch on your heart rate. GOQii Smartvital's cutting-edge 24x7 heart rate monitor utilizes AI-driven algorithms for high-precision readings. It has heart rate sensors for continuous, non-disruptive heart rate monitoring throughout the day and night. Check blood pressure. Keep a watch on your blood pressure. The blood pressure monitor on the GOQii Smartvital reads your systolic and diastolic blood pressure. You can get the report directly with the integrated GOQii 33-color display with full touch screen. Vivid colors, smooth touch. 33 large color touch screen with a high resolution of 240 by 240 pixels can display vivid and lifelike visuals which are so captivating that you'll never want to look away. Its responsive touch lets you effortlessly control the watch. Personalized watch faces. Keep a watch on your style. Explore the new you and don't be limited to what your watch looks like. With multiple options to choose from, the GOQii Smartvital has a look that fits every occasion. Colorful watch straps. Perfect combination of style and comfort. Go out with style. Match your outfits with the multiple, colorful strap options to make the perfect style statement. It's easy to change, is skin-friendly and comfortable. 18 exercise modes. Unleash the athlete in you. All the activities that get your blood pumping can now be monitored on a single device. With up to 18 sports modes and real-time data display, you're all set to break records and achieve your health goals. Make every step and movement count with accurate step-counting algorithms. Music and phone finder. Keep a watch on your phone and music. Go truly hands-free and have the freedom to work out with basic music control functions on the GOQii Smartvital. That's not all. With built-in tracking technology, you can find your phone, just in case it is out of sight. Smart notifications. Receive timely updates on your wrist. Get notified on messages, calls, WhatsApp and other apps on your GOQii Smartvital without looking at your phone. Additionally, you can also get inactivity alerts, weather information, set alarms and reminders to stay hydrated and active. Connect to the GOQii PP. Sync it to level up your health. Sync your GOQii Smartvital to the GOQii app and explore the new normal with complete access to your health and activity data. You can also change settings as per your preference via the app. Stay afloat. Handle rain and sweat like a pro. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.